Ay, kapogi naman ang baby love today. Kay mag-class picture sila. Ayusin mo mag-smile. Paano mag-smile? Natay lang. O, sige na, bye-bye. I love you.
Bye-bye, I love you.
Bye-bye. Enjoy ka, ha? For the class picture. Jinel ko masyado, eh. Hindi talaga maano ba? Magalaw ang buhok niya. Kay para pugi siya sa kanilang class picture. Duy, I love you. Enjoy. Have fun.
Look at
I love you so much, baby, from the bottom of my heart.
I love you. I love miss you. I love you so much. From the bottom of my heart.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! I love you! Tirahin na natin to, guys. Kasarap nito ba? Kay kagabi ko pa to niluto bago ako natulog. Grabe ang effort. Hayaan nyo na muna yung itsura ni Inday Garnet, guys, ah. Ingit kayo sa breakfast ko, no? Grabe kasarap po. Alam nyo ba na mas masarap ang atay pag, hindi siya bagong luto? Kaya ang ginawa ko, kagabi pa lang po, niluto ko na siya. Kaya para, naglaway. Grabe, guys. Maglabas na siya. Palabas na. Hindi normal. Uy, diba kalayo pa ng labasan natin. Punta tayo ngayon kay Vika, kay maglaba po kami at si Daniel. You are also mahal? I need to...
We were talking about it, so I'm thinking, oh, Nathan is gone, we go to Vika. No, I don't want to go to Vika.
And suddenly, I also need to go to the toilet. Maglabas na talaga siya. Kung sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, nadagdagan na naman ang problema sa bahay. Wala na po siyang leakage, pero clog po siya. Clog na naman ang problema, guys. So may magpunta po mamaya, magdala ng camera at ayusin yan, at may magpunta na naman sa gobyerno. Kaya kasi nagkakaganon yan siya dahil secret, baka ma-spread. Hindi yung gawa ng gobyerno ba sa harap ng bahay. Dati pa yan na may problema, hindi lang po agad na asikaso. Aga-aga, 9. Samok-samok na tayo dito.
Hallo.
Hallo.
Wij komen poepen.
Hallo, ik moet
normaal.
ik moet me nog wassen al.
Yeah? Mahal,
Ja.
it's your time to shine. Tapos na ako. Si Vika kasi nandun sa taas, nagready. Nagready ba? Nagtoothbrush, naghilamos. Maghintay na tayo dito matapos ang labada, guys. 16 minutes na lang. Nakapag-inom na po kami ng si Diana nakapagbihis na din po. Hindi sana ako sasama. Mag-walking po sana ako kanina. Kaya naka-ano na tayo? Naka-sports bra. Tinawag man ng tawag ng kalikasan. This one is new again, Vika.
Goed.
Ja,
How long do you make one puzzle?
een paar dagen.
Yung last na punta natin dito, ibang puzzle din po yun. Yung iba na naman, may pusa, oh. Looks like Kiwi. The cat. Kamukha din ng pusa niya. Ayan, oh, si Kiwi, oh. Diba, kamukha ng pusa niya. Kiwi!
Deze dingetjes.
Punta yan siya kay Oma.
Ik ga nou maar
Okay, doei, Vika.
De groetjes aan oma. Wij gaan ook een kwartiertje, want dan is de was klaar.
Yeah. Nakita sa mga damit ni
Nou, hij
Nathan.
washed wood.
Washed wood. Galing pa yan sa school
Looks
niya,
like
guys.
it's washed.
Tapos na ang nilaban natin, guys. Tara na. Thank you, Vika. Kalamig. Ang puto ko nasa sasakyan. Enjoy shopping.
Thank you.
Magbili daw siya ng tinapay kay gusto niya para sa atay for lunch. And also the cucumber. Thank you. I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. Even if you annoy me this morning already and it's morning and you I love you. Ito mga nilabhan din. Sinegregate ko na. Pero hindi ko na yan labahan kanilabyanan kaya baka maayos po nila no mamaya. For wish you good. Sa totoo lang. Grabe ka for wish you. Dito ako magsampay. Hindi na ako nagsampay kung kaibiyanan. Mga damit din po to ni Nathan. Nilabhan ko nung isang araw. Ngayon, laban na naman kay kabilis niya po maubusan. Dami-dami niyang damit, kabilis maubusan kay estudyante. Pag uwi ng bahay, bihis na naman. Wow, you really waited that it is already almost done before you come
I
here?
have to do something else first.
Mahal, look at what is that? The coat of Nathan. It's good now.
Good.
It's closing again.
Yeah, because it was filled up with the zipper was filled with sand. If you wash it, the sand washes out.
Taka ako ba, hindi na ma-close. Nilabhan ko bitaw, sarado gud siya ulit. Siyempre, pa-electric pa na niyan sila. Para mabilis na
also,
tuyo.
I saw that one on the floor.
Yeah.
Where do you want that?
Look guys! Busy na sila dyan. Sana tapusin na yan nila. Ay, it's the mud, mahal.
Yeah,
Only the mud they're putting there.
yeah.
I thought
That's
the...
smart. That means that there's more nutrients for all the what do you call that stuff in English?
Weeds?
Onkruid, for all the weeds.
Yeah? Smart? That's smart?
Yeah, more nutrients for the weeds means bigger weeds. Smart.
Problema na nga kami. Tingnan yung itsura dyan, oh. Yan sa harap, oh. Puro weeds po yan. Diyos ko, akala ko magtanim-tanim na siya. Akala ko ayusin niya na. Hindi pala. Mag-ready na tayo ng atay ni Mister. Perfect, no? Grabe ang Mister ko, no? Palaman atay. Sa kanyang, ito ba? Masarap yan dito na tinapay yung...
And with mayo.
With mayo?
You put mayo right last time, right? Or you did not?
I don't remember.
I thought you did. Then no mayo if no need.
Yeah, the sabaw. You sausaw it. Grabe naman. You dip it in the sabaw. There's more here if you want, mama.
Smells like your labot.
Wow.
Okay. Maybe they need to have a little bit explanation. Today, I am having some nice horseplay with my wife. And I'm making a lot of jokes.
You're saying smells like lobot, and then you're saying we did a horseplay. What is a horseplay?
Yeah, you know, just having fun together, playing, being like that.
Masarap naman talaga.
Like that, like that. I'm teasing my wife. Teasing my wife.
No, I'm hungry again. Gutom ako ulit. Kunti lang. Sarap talaga ng pagkaluto. Masarap nga siya pag yung mabukasan. Mga tayo, mas masarap po siya, no? Kasi kung bagong luto, tapos kainin mo na, yun ang pinakaayaw ko. Ay parang ano pa siya ba, yung lasang ano pa siya ba, malansa. Look at that. Bawal ang maglaway.
Thank you. You're the best. I love you. Tender.
Yeah, yummy ha. Enjoy. Nanonood kami ng Week Hero. Grabe kaganda guys. Super nice. Korean series.
This box is way too big for the game that's inside.
At least you got friends now.
Yeah.
The Garnet, hindi ka marunong magpilo. Okay lang yan. Panoorin niyo to guys. Week Hero. Laban lang sa hugasin dito guys. Oh. Puno ang lababo. Kasi ito, yan. Marumi pa rin yan. Di pa nahugasan. Kahit bawal din pati maghugas. Aywan na lang ng masasabi ko guys. Kahapon sabi ko ayoko stressin ang sarili ko. Kaya alam ko magiging okay din siya. Okay. Makita mong lababo ba? Bad trip ka. Change topic. Makapawala ng ano ito, ng stress. Nabudol talaga ako sa kadami po nilang mga pasil. Bumili ako ng sapatos ni Nathan at sapatos ng tatay niya. Look at that! Wow! Parehas po sa sapatos ko na Cortez. Kasi grabe yung ka-comfy guys. Ipatry na muna natin to kay Nathan. No? Pang Pinas niya. Kaya yung ano niya, yung Vans niya, hindi na normal. Grabe, yun ang pinapang-aral niya ngayon. Kaya pinag-boots ko nga siya kanina. Kaya gusto ko labhan na muna yung Vans niya. Kay karumi-rumi. Pero normal man yan, no? Kay mga bata. Normal. Grabe kasi siya ngayon maglaro sa sand, guys. Tapos puno ng sand ang kanyang sapatos. Kaya bumili na po ako ng bago para pag Pinas natin. Maganda. Maganda talaga siya. I love the color. Sana naman, ano to, no? Comfy para kay Nathan. Kaya parang kanipis niya. Parang manipis masyado. Tapos hindi siya katulad sa Cortez ko. Leather Cortez po to. Ito naman ang kay Daniel, Cortez din. Pag-uwi din ng Pilipinas, guys. Mahal! Pababa na siya para maibalik po natin agad mamaya. Wala pa tong bayad. Di pa to siya nabayaran. Bayaran natin to pag ikip na natin. Pagpasensya namin muna yung itsura natin po today. Can you try this? The shoes is here. Right, Mar. This is size 46. Why?
More paper in there. Feels weird.
Feels weird?
On my side. It's like my foot is resting here instead of there.
Sige na, just try it first. Because if you don't like it, we can send it back. Looking nice though. Also like the color. You know. So, you like it or not? That's not yet paid.
I don't know. I think that I need to, if I imagine I'm walking the whole day like this is really, but only this foot. It feels like it's crooked. Yeah, it's really my weight is here. Where there
Okay.
is no,
I'll send
you
it back.
see my foot is resting here. You can feel it. It's here.
Yeah.
And on this one, that's not so much. It's just that one. So I don't think this is for me.
Oh.
Then the shoes are nice, but you know the way it feels when walking.
Looking nice.
Thank you. Oh,
Mura jug si Mr. Bean. I have the feeling that
I
this
got
one
a feeling.
is also not good for Nathan. Parang sobrang niya kaano ba, yung frame niya nga. Tingnan niyo guys. Oh, maganda sana siya. Try natin yung pag kasundo po natin sa kanya. No? Ayusin natin sa... Parang sa akin to. Feeling ko sa akin to guys. Feeling ko lipstick. Alala niyo, nagpunta kami ng city last time. Naghanap po ako ng lipstick. This is the Burning Love. Medyo po to siya. Medyo dark po ang shade nito. Hindi normal. Ka-dark pala nito. Hala. What can you say? Feeling ko maganda to siya pag naka-makeup ka. Full makeup. Grabe ang kulay niya, guys. Tapos makapal pa yung kilay ko kasi nag-heal pa rin po yan. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, nagpakilay na naman po ako. No? Pero alam niyo, maganda to talaga pag naka-makeup ka. Yung talaga, may pilik mata ka. Itong lipstick, hindi na po ito pwede ibalik. Parang ibigay ko siya kay si Trina. Sa pinsan ko na nagpa-perform. May dagdag pa pala sa hugasin dito. Oh. Yung atay, ubos na. Hindi man lang nahapunan. Sabi ko sana na, ko ba kayo, may mga chicken tayo dyan. I-adobo ko sana yung chicken, tapos ihalo ko siya kay para masarap chicken atay adobo. Wala na. Ubos! Pinapunta ko po si Daniel sa school kay natimingan. Pag CCTV ko doon kay Nathan, magpasok na po sana sila. Tapos bigla siyang umupo. Para siguro tanggalin ang kanyang, ang mga sand. Ngayon, nakapasok na ang mga classmate niya, guys. Siya nakaupo pa doon. Tapos may ibang bata, ibang classroom na paikot ng ikot sa kanya. Tapos nakita ko siya pumunta doon sa ibang teacher. Buti itong nakikita natin, no? Natimingan talaga. I'll show you, mahal. Come here. Kabuang, uy. Buti na lang may iba pang mga mga guro. At saka mga bata din. Nakunan talaga, guys. Kabuang. Dapat tinitingnan kung nandyan na sa loob talaga lahat. Hindi din niya agad napansin. Sa bagay, marami man sila. May kunting gigil ako sa teacher ni Nathan. Diba dapat siya ang pinakahuli na pumasok? Nag-una-una pa siya pasok, ang mga estudyante niya, hindi napansin. Nandoon pa rin po si Nathan sa labas. Ang problema, hindi tayo makareklamo kay magtaka ang teacher, bakit, paano mo nalaman? Nasa bahay ka, di ba? Kita mo ang anak mo. Hindi tayo makareklamo. Ay, sabihin ko sa kanya, nag-zoom-zoom ako, tingnan ko. I'll get him now, mahal. Ako lang isa magkuha, guys, kay baka biglang dumating yung mag-ayos po dito. Walang tao sa bahay. How are you? Grabe, puno na naman.
Swimming pool.
Ha?
Swimming
Now, may tanong si mama pag-uwi natin. May ginawa ata sila sa school kay ilagay niya daw sa ano. Diyan, oh. Oh, what is that? What did you make? Oh, dito na sila. Mag-ayos, guys. Hello. What is this? I have something for you. You need to try. If it doesn't feel nice, then we need to send this back, okay? Ipasok pa lang, hirap na. Maliit nga siya, guys, yung dito, oh. Baby love, may tanong sa'yo si mama. Saan ang pantalon mo? Bakit ka nag-change? Anong nangyari? On that?
No, my gift is not.
Oh, jag was not like Marcy. Now your pants is here. Oh, yeah, the bits is not. No, waarom was it not done? Waarom was van de sandbox?
Hey,
Van de?
Kleiber.
Oh, in the Kleiban. The Kleiban is not. And then waarom was ze alleen? Toen ik zag je, oh, jij was alleen buiten en alle kinderen naar binnen gaan en ook de juf. Maar jij was alleen buiten met jouw schoenen. Wat gebeurt?
Mijn gift is not. Ja, toen ga ik naar binnen omdat mijn gift is not.
Oh, kusyabi. Hindi niya na daw gusto ang best friend niya, guys. Wow!
Deze is open.
Wow, also! You drink everything?
Yes.
Thank you, baby.
En een beetje water.
Kala mo kaspa?
Daar zit nog
Buhangin.
een beetje.
Ano ang nasa broth mo today? Anong nilagay ni mama?
Smirka.
Ja. Waarom wil je niet meer met Daily spelen dan?
Omdat ze vis niet leuk weer met Davy.
Tanula imong laway. Why? You had a fight? Rosie met Daily Fanda?
Ja.
No, that kan gebeuren, baby love. Minsan, hindi nyo maintindihan ng isa't isa, ng friend mo. Pero, mag-friends pa rin kayo.
No.
No? Baho. Hinihigop niya na. Naayos na po niya. Pwede na tayong maglaba mamaya. May mga labada pa. O kailangan ko maglaba kay yung sa anong natin bakasyon. Sayang. Uy, kaganda pa naman. Okay lang. Di tayo makabayad eh. List gasto. Dami nating ibalik. Parang ikip ko na lang yung itim na sapatos na binili ko po para sa kanya. Kasi yun very comfy po, no? Comfy. Pero kaya medyo malaki pa nga kay Nathan. Kasi ang size niya ngayon na ginagamit 27, tapos may allowance na po yun sa kanya. Tapos yung nabili ko 28. She went...
Yeah, upstairs.
Pusa ng kapitbahay, guys. Pumasok sa taas. Hindi siguro mapansin. Umakyat. Kabuang. Wala kabaho mo. Alat, mahal? Super alat?
It's very clogged.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And,
A lot of your food.
huh? That's pop? Parang 15 minutes na siya. Sige, higop dyan. Grabe daw talaga kaklag, guys. Kabaho mo. Prepare na natin tong dishwasher. Ay para pag signal ni Daniel na. Yan, nakakot, ah?
Can you bring me some cleaning wipes
Ah.
and a plastic bag?
So I cannot wash the dishes yet, mahal. I mean the...
Not yet.
Okay. Pag signal niya, diretsyo natin unto kay kadaming naghintay dito, guys. Daming naghintay. Chicken bats itong ano, gasan ko to. No, effort na masyado. Grabe nga po talaga kaklag, kay kahit dito magugasan kami ng kamay. Katagal bago magbaba. Buti yan, ginawa nila, inayos nila. Tapos contact na naman nga tayo doon sa government kay parang something with the pipe. Hirap lang explain ba? Gusto mo malaman? Kahit tanongin ko si Daniel, siya explain ko. Wag na lang, no? Oh my gosh, someone is sleeping here. Hello, are you sleeping here? Tintin. Tintin, you want to play with Mama?
Yes.
Yes, what do you want to play with me?
Board game.
A board game? Okay, come on. Can you read us the rules, baby love?
Een moedje Wat wil je hebben? De keiboekstenoten.
Mag ik de rode?
Oké, en ik ga ook de noten doen.
Oké.
En we moeten hem omkrijgen. Zo. En nou leggen we neer. En wie wil beginnen?
Jij?
Ja, of jij?
Oh, dat kan. Oh, hoeveel kip? Ilang chicken?
1 kip en nou doe je
En ik heb nog hier deze.
met 1 punt.
Ja, maar ik moet nog 1 keer gooien.
Oh,
Oh, hoeveel kip heb mama?
3, dan mag je
Tingnan niyo.
weer
Hindi niya na ginanon-ganon. Alam niya na. Grabe naman talaga. Ang buong akala ko'y siya na. Sabi ko ang napala, paghilom ng puso'y hindi matalim. Ang malamang mahal mo'y walang pag-ibig sa'yo.
En nou wil je met mij spelen?
Kalimutan ko na, guys. Do you also want to play guitar when you're old, Bella? What do you want? Piano, guitar, or drums?
Gitaar.
Guitar. Oh, you don't open that, ha?
Why?
Poison yan.
Wat?
Just poison. Na.
Dan krijg je de
Alam. Kaya. Wag na lang. Kaya. Nais ko ang magpakilala sa iyo. Ang lawaan mo kaya. Mahal mo lang ang aking lupa. Nagdarawang isip na sa puwet masakit. Ulit-ulitin ko sa'yo ang nadarama.
Dus wie wil beginnen?
Unahin ko muna ang anak ko, guys. Tsaka na lang talaga tayo mag-guitar session pag nag-aral. It's done now, mahal?
Yeah, I will type a little report there. I'll give him some coffee.
Yeah. Oh, tingnan niyo, sinatan, guys. Pinanood ko na muna kay mag-coffee sila dito. Coffee sila doon sa may kusina. Grabe ang tapos. Kung paano kami nagkakilala. Close na. Ganyan ang mga Dutch. Nagkwentuhan na kung paano kami nagkakilala. Kung saan ako nakatira. Crush. Crush ako. Ilagay ko na lang dyan. Chismoso. Maritis. Yung napunta ko na sinatan doon kay magluto pa ako ba? Anong oras noon? Nagchika-chika pa din. 3:46 na. Magluto pa tayo. Napasarap ang chika nila. Oh,
De
yummy.
lepel is heet.
Oh.
Te heet.
Ja, te heet. Mamaya na. Oat milk. Pwede na. Pwede na guys. Ang second batch naghintay pa. Mahal? My love? I can turn it on? Yeah, okay. So I can turn it on.
Yes, but not the attic.
The dishwasher.
Yeah, downstairs and the bathroom is fine, but not the attic. I will do the mopping myself. I don't know if you want me to do it now, but then you need to go upstairs with Nathan.
No, later na after
Later
dinner,
is
Mahal.
also fine, but I will.
Mahal,
vacuum first.
you need to pay him? You needed to pay him?
Yeah, 361 euros.
Oh.
We paid for the unclogging. Or, well, you pay for the hours
Mm?
for the work that he did.
Yeah.
What he did also, he made sure that we won't get another leak upstairs. He fixed the thing, you know, he put, they already fixed it, but it's like there's a little pipe over two other pipes to connect them. And he said it can shake loose. So what he did is he put a little thingy underneath there so it cannot shake down anymore. So he helped us with that. He unclogged and then he made camera. So we pay for the camera, he will send it to us, the movie. And we pay for his hours. And then we will send that to the gemeente. And I don't know if you already looked, but he painted on the stones where the thing went down. The gemeente needs to fix that. And they will pay us back for what he did here.
But you had like you are super close ba? You're talking about our how did we
it's nice.
meet? Super nice, huh? Like my mother
a
told
nice
you.
guy.
Yeah, like my mother told you that what is that? That my
Marry me.
to marry you. Yeah, super close ba?
I am not ashamed to tell people that.
Oh, you love me so
Yes.
much. But Mahal, you're super close ba? I thought you would be drinking tonight tequila together with him.
I wouldn't mind. He was a nice guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's from Amsterdam, you said?
No, his family is from Amsterdam.
Ah.
He is from Franeker.
But that's his Mahal job or that's his company?
No, it's his job.
Umpisa na tayo luto guys. Bukas na lang tong pomfret. Ipagbukas ko na lang siya kaya parang marami naman masyadong ulam eh. Hindi ba yan sanay ang Dutch maraming ulam. Nung una, na nagluto ako 2 putahe, sabaw tsaka prito ha. Nasyak si Dani, bakit kailangan marami tayong ulam? Na, Pinay man tayo. Tapos sa bahay namin, sanay man kami. Pag may sabaw, may prito talaga. Shock siya. Shock siya. Pero ngayon, nasanay na lang siya. Mag-uwi kami sa Pilipinas, nagtatlo ang ulam. Ito na lang, isigang ko po to. Grabe, anong oras pa lang, oh? Alas 4 pa lang. Kain pa siya ng buong pipino. Gutom na daw siya. Kaya i-pressure ko na ang manok. Saturday, what for sweet? Nakabili kasi tayo ng radish. Nag-ano po kami ni Bianan na macro. Nung isang araw, hindi po ako nag-vlog. Grocery po kami doon. May radish man tayo, magsigang. Saan na yung card mo? Yung nilagay mo sa mailbox? Mahal, did you see the card of Nathan? No, maybe na ni Papa natapon. Na.
Right now, tapos.
Kasi naglinis man siya dito. Grabe yung mukha niya, oh. Ano? sa isip-isip niya siguro ba? Ano kayong sinasabi ng nanay ko? Nilagay niya sa mail. Mahal, did you see the card? Nathan put paper here. That's from school. They did that from school, Mahal.
It is here. It was here, but the guy was there, and then
Ay, andito. Ay! Wow! Now, anong nakasulat? Anong nakasulat dyan?
kaartje gemaakt voor hier. Wow.
No, when we
Die is
went
mooi.
home, he was putting it inside there
Yeah.
for the mailbox.
The mailbox.
Look guys, wow! Ano yan siya? Ano yan, i-drawing mo dyan? Anong nakalagay dyan? What is that?
Yeah.
Red. Tama nga naman, red. Kiss me, kiss! Kiss! Mwah. All the gulay in the world. Look at that guys. Chinese cabbage, talong, meron tayong beans. Ito at maglagay pa ako ng spinach. Tingnan po natin yung pinintahan niya. Yan daw ang dapat gawin ng ng government guys. You see that yung may yellow yan. 1 at saka ito hanggang dito. So yan na pipe. Tanungin na talaga natin ang Mr. Kubik. I still don't get it. So what's in there? What's in the pipe, my love?
The pipe is supposed to run like this. Slightly angled down. What is happening is the pipe is suddenly going down north and then going back up.
Huh?
And that is what you see there. So the pipe is going like this. So So there's water here, where it's not supposed to be anymore. And that's also why it gets blocked.
So why did that happen? Because how they made it?
The ground went down.
Oh. So that's what they need to do with the paint there.
So they will open the road there.
Ay. Tingnan niyo. Hindi na normal. Pati ang ano. Wala pa, Jud. Wait lang. Oh, pati nga ang ano, ang radish, i-pressure ko na para sa'yo. Kay grabe, pati ang tatay, gutom na ano kayo? Ha, nag-snack man kayo.
I want to snack.
Malapit na bibilap. O, malapit. Ano pa lang, 4:40? Damay pa. Na-pressure din pati ang kuan radish. Tinanggal ko na good ang manok kay parang malamog na siya. Ang mga ibang gulay na naman ang niluluto ko. Si Nathan, isubuan ko yan. Kay maraming gulay. Enjoy my love. Pakainin ko na muna itong mga batos ko. Kay grabe na talaga, gutom na masyado sila guys. So, how was it? Sabi niya kanina, yummy daw masyado. Si Nathan din. I'm not sure ba if you're just hungry or it's super yummy.
Super yummy.
Kay si Nathan din, grabe, hataw ang kain. Masarap daw.
Why can it not be both? We're hungry and it's also yummy.
Because when you're hungry, you know, everything is yummy.
No, it's not true. When you're drunk, everything is yummy.
So guys, gutom din ako. Pero inuna ko sila. Kain na muna tayo. Nag-enjoy naman kayo sa ating pa-vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I love
Salamat.
you. See you again tomorrow guys kung hindi absent. Love you. Masarap nga. Bye guys! Ay, isang subo para sa inyo. Isang subo para sa inyo. Oh! Grabe.
Good, right?
Yeah. Grabe good kalambot. You know, I pressured this. All the gulay I pressured for you.
Super nice. I love it. Why did you pressure it and other times you don't?
Because you are super hungry.
How to make it fast?
Yeah.
This is yummy.
Ah, wow. Patunay na masarap masyado. Binalikan ako dito, nabitin. Sabaw daw. Uy, pwede magpahinga. Masarap masyado?
Yes.
Super sarap?
Yes.